A colossal project is unfolding in Poland, so immense that its planned airport terminal alone will cover about 450,000 square meters. This is the Solidarity Transport Hub, or CPK, a sprawling development spanning 360 square kilometers, an area larger than the entire island of Manhattan. It will open with 2 runways, each stretching an incredible 4,000 meters long and 45 meters wide, engineered for aircraft to take off and land at the same time, boosting efficiency. By 2032, this hub aims to serve 40 million passengers annually, with plans to grow to 100 million each year, potentially surpassing major global airports like London Heathrow. This includes an engineering marvel, a 4.6-kilometer long, 14-meter wide, high-speed rail tunnel, the widest of its kind in Poland, dug deep beneath a bustling city. But how does a nation even begin to construct something so vast? And what incredible challenges must be overcome to bring such an ambitious vision to life? For decades, the dream of a central, powerful transport hub has stirred in Poland. It wasn't just a sudden idea. Whispers of a large central airport date back to the 1970s. The challenge was clear. Poland needed a modern gateway to the world, a place where air, rail, and road could meet seamlessly, propelling the nation into the 21st century as a true heart of European connectivity. Warsaw's existing Chopin Airport, while busy, simply couldn't expand enough to meet the growing demands of international travel. Its runways are too close, and its location within the city meant noise limits and limited growth. So, in 2017, the Polish government officially pushed forward with an audacious solution, the Solidarity Transport Hub, known as CPK in Polish. This wasn't just about building an airport. It was about creating an entire transport ecosystem from the ground up. The vision was grand, an international airport integrated with a vast new high-speed rail network and a comprehensive road system. The goal was simple yet revolutionary for Central Europe: connect the entire country, and indeed the continent, through one powerful, efficient hub. The plan moved from studies to actual planning, with a dedicated state-owned company to turn this colossal ambition into reality. But how do you even begin to construct a new city-sized airport and an entirely new rail network in the middle of nowhere? Building Europe's next super airport from scratch demands incredible feats of engineering. At the heart of CPK will be Warsaw Solidarity Airport. Its design, crafted by global leaders, Foster and Partners, and Buro Happold, is a testament to forward-thinking engineering. The initial phase aims to handle 34 to 40 million passengers each year by its planned opening in 2032. To put that in perspective, this is more than double what Warsaw Chopin Airport handles now. The airport is also designed to be net zero ready from day one, aiming to use renewable energy and setting ambitious targets for reducing pollution and carbon emissions. They are even surveying a huge area, twice the size of Warsaw, to understand and protect local plant and animal life. The terminal building itself is a giant, spanning approximately 450,000 square meters. That's roughly the size of 10 of Krakow's historic Main Market Square, where you might see horse-drawn carriages and bustling markets. This massive space will be connected to 4 modular piers. The modular part is key. It means the airport can grow and adapt without shutting down operations, simply by adding more sections as passenger numbers increase. The terminal will feature nearly 140 check-in desks at launch, with space ready to add 30 more when needed. Passenger flow is carefully planned across 3 levels, separating arrivals and departures for smooth movement. The design uses smart solutions, like column-supported arcades instead of heavy, overhanging roofs, to reduce the amount of steel needed for the structure, making it more efficient. For aircraft, the airport will launch with 2 parallel runways, each a massive 4,000 meters long and 45 meters wide. To give you an idea, that length is equivalent to about 40 city blocks. These runways are long enough to handle the world's largest passenger jets, like the Airbus A380. The parallel design means planes can take off and land at the same time, greatly increasing the number of flights the airport can manage. By 2060, the plan envisions up to 4 runways and the capacity to handle 100 million passengers annually. This kind of simultaneous operation requires advanced air traffic control. The control tower, designed by JSK Architecti, will rise up to 105 meters, with the controller's room about 90 meters above the apron, giving them a commanding view of the entire airfield. While specific AI-driven systems are not publicly detailed for day one operations, CPK is investing in a technology development center to explore advanced solutions in data analysis and remote tower technology, pushing the boundaries of future air traffic management. The technical complexity extends to the apron, the area where aircraft park, load, and unload. Initially, CPK will have 50 to 68 contact stands, those spots right at the terminal with jet bridges, depending on the aircraft type. This is a huge leap compared to Warsaw Chopin Airport, which can only handle 22 to 27 such aircraft. Many of these will be flexible, Mars-type stands, meaning they can handle either 2 smaller planes or 1 giant wide-body aircraft, allowing for quick changes in how the gates are used based on flight needs. A modern baggage handling system will also be installed, featuring over 11 kilometers of conveyor belts to efficiently sort and move luggage. But CPK isn't just an airport, it's the central node of a new national high-speed rail network, truly creating a multimodal hub. This is where the project gets even more ambitious, promising to weave a total of 1,600 kilometers of new high-speed rail lines across Poland. To put that in perspective, that's like building a new railway from London to Rome. Almost. The centerpiece is the Y-shaped line connecting Warsaw, CPK, Łódź, and then splitting off to Wrocław and Poznan. These trains are designed to reach speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour, though they will initially operate at 250 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to slash travel times dramatically. For example, getting from Warsaw Central Station to the CPK airport will take only about 20 minutes. Traveling from Warsaw to Łódź will shrink to roughly 40 minutes, and reaching major cities like Wrocław and Poznan from Warsaw will take less than 2 hours. One of the most impressive engineering feats of this rail network is the 4.6-kilometer long rail tunnel being built under Łódź. This tunnel, 14 meters wide, will run 25 to 35 meters deep beneath the city center. It will be the longest and widest single-section rail tunnel in Poland, dug using a massive tunnel boring machine, or TBM. TBMs are like giant underground factories that chew through earth, installing tunnel segments as they go. This tunnel is not just for show. It's vital for allowing high-speed trains to pass efficiently under Łódź, connecting the Y line's crucial segments. Construction of this tunnel is set to begin in late 2026. The entire rail network will use a 25 kilovolt AC electrification system, ensuring compatibility with modern European high-speed rail standards. To complete the multimodal picture, CPK will be surrounded by an entirely new road network. About 90 kilometers of new roads, including complex highway interchanges, are planned to smoothly connect the airport to existing national expressways, like the A2 motorway between Warsaw and Łódź. Imagine a sprawling network of roads specifically designed to feed traffic directly into and out of the hub. Beyond the transport infrastructure, CPK is a greenfield development project, meaning it's being built on undeveloped land. This 3,000-hectare site isn't just for planes and trains. It includes plans for an airport city. This will be a modern urban district with hotels, office buildings, logistics centers, and public spaces, all designed to integrate seamlessly with the airport and rail station. It's about creating an entire economic zone from scratch, a magnet for businesses and services. Building something of this scale always comes with immense challenges, both technical and social. CPK is no exception. One of the biggest hurdles has been land acquisition. The sheer size of the project, needing over 3,000 hectares of land, means relocating thousands of people from surrounding villages. This has led to local community opposition, with some residents expressing concerns about losing their homes and way of life. To address this, CPK has implemented a voluntary acquisition program, offering higher-than-market prices for land, including a 20% bonus on land value and a 40% bonus on buildings. By mid-2025, over 2,000 hectares, more than half the land needed for the first phase, had been acquired through this program, avoiding forced expropriation. Beyond land, the project faces economic and political scrutiny. Critics question its immense cost, estimated at around 131.7 billion Polish zlotys, which is about 31 billion euros by 2032. Some argue that such a colossal investment is unnecessary or megalomaniacal. The project relies on funding from the Polish state treasury, EU grants, bank loans, and corporate bonds. The changing political landscape in Poland has also caused some uncertainty, with the new government in late 2023 signaling a reevaluation. However, official statements in June 2025 reaffirmed the ambitious plan to proceed, albeit with a phased approach. Despite the hurdles, the Solidarity Transport Hub is pushing forward. As of mid-2025, the project is in the pre-construction phase. Early enabling works, like land preparation and demolitions, have already begun. The construction of the airport's foundations is scheduled to start in 2026, with the first phase of the airport and the crucial Warsaw-Lodz high-speed rail link set to open by the end of 2032. What do you think? Can this engineering giant overcome its challenges and truly become Europe's new super airport? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you're amazed by the scale of this project. Subscribe for more deep dives into incredible engineering feats. And turn on notifications so you do not miss our next story.